Alright guys, KTA breaks. Donruss Optic Basketball Hobby Direct. I didn't even realize I had a Hobby Direct case. Such a noob breaker. Such a noob. Alright guys, let's roll. Alright guys, your teams aren't left. There will be a hit recap. That was not straight at all. This stuff has been fire for us, so let's see how Hobby Direct is. Alright, full box of goodness. I'm good, Tim. I got it sorted out. You'll find out on Monday. Doesn't matter anymore, Tim. I was surprised I was blocked. Do you, Tim, do you know what that number of the Acuna was? Because there's a couple on eBay right now. That's what I'm reaching out to you for. Now we got Patty Mahomes Mythical. Monty Hooker. But since you blocked me, it's kind of hard to reach out to you. Phillip Rivers at a $2.99. The Chargers. Brandon Murphy. And out of 150. Ooh, that's a tiny, tiny auto. Deontay Johnson for the Steelers. Alright. Cool. Even better. J.J. Watt. Montez Sweat. Beckham and Kyler in the first box for Walter. Myles Gaskin. Kelvin Harmon, rookie blue for the Redskins. Christian Wilkinson. Ed Oliver. And Darnell Savage, rookie for the Green Bay Packers. And Joe, the last team taken in the break. So LaShawn McCoy, looking weird in a Redskins uniform. Jalen Tavali. Stidham. Tariq Cohen. What's up, Jim? Juwan Williams blue. Alright guys, we got this and we got the hockey tonight, guys. Bryce Love. And purple to 50 for the Sea Chickens. I forgot to tag Dogfather. /21 of 50. So LaShawn McCoy, or is it yeah. Shady's on the Chiefs in this. Weird. DK out of 50. A 0. Michael Thomas.
There's a gentleman here.
Yeah.
He's looking through Pokemon and he was wondering if we had any new trainers. I know you have some personal trainers.
Yeah, then it just gets complicated though.
Yeah, I just don't know if you wanted to sell them. I wanted to know if you had anything new. Which normally comes with the card, is what we sell them at. But you have all of yours separate.
It just gets weird, but yeah.
Do you want him to go through them or no?
If he wants one, yeah.
Okay.
What's up, Mike? Oh, Sergeant Cruz Scott. Oh, I'm a complete jerk face today. Fung? 100% jerk face. Oh no, it's way worse than a normal day, Fung. I'm on the rampage today. So, Patrick Mahomes, not numbered, another Stidham. Travis Homer for the Sea Chickens. Yeah. Hopefully it gets resolved so I don't have to be really on the rampage. Jonathan Abraham. Deontay Johnson. Saquon Barkley. Myles Gaskin. Silver, Josh Allen for the Jags. No, I tried. I reached out, but I was no longer able to communicate. Nice. Stidham Orange. At a 199. What's up, Ed? How you doing? It sounds like a very, very long cruise, Scott. And Steven Godkowski, kicker hyper. The champ is here. Bryce Love. Mitch Trubisky. Is Mitch Trubisky a starter next year? Let's talk about that. Trubisky, are they going to start Trubisky's next year? And for Nasser, Jonathan Abraham. Yes, you think they stick with him? 35 of 60, Jonathan Abraham. Matt Stafford, light blue. Debo and Deontay Johnson for the Steelers. And the XFL. What are the Bears going to do? They're keeping Nagy, right? Tony Pollard, not Zeke. And out of 50, Julian Love. Nice. Where's that? I don't know where that is at off the top of my head. Jamal Dean and Dacky Dak. Oh, Trubisky's is better than Sexy Rexy, and Sexy Rexy led him to a Super Bowl. Scott? It's a different league, though, but yeah. So we've done 2 cases and yet to hit a patch auto. We have hit 2 101 autos, though. So I guess we can't complain too much. This is Hobby Direct. Was 1 of 5, Tim? Alright, cool. What's the one on eBay is what? 4 of 5? So, Tim, can you message me on Facebook, please? I have an idea, and I think it'll work. If you could please message me. I don't know why you blocked me, but can you please message me and we can handle this? Because I think I figured something out on it. El Paso? Ooh, that doesn't. Is that a fun place to go? Have you been there before? Nick Bosa. Tariq Cohen out of 299. Taylor Rapp. Nick Foles. Clelin Ferrell. Juju. Kelvin Harmon. Ben. Saquon Hampton. Ty Johnson. Darius Slayton. Doug Johnson. Tyree Jackson. Justice Hill, Darnell Savage Jr. Tim, did you hear my request by chance? Darnell Savage Jr. at $2.99 for Joe. Alexander Madison, silver for the Vikings, and Scat Cat. Aderly and Josh Jacobs. Can you message me on Facebook, Tim? I think I have an idea that it all works out. But I tried to message you today and I'm blocked. That's why I had Irv reach out to you. Boom! Who got the cheap Dolphinos? Doria, nice. From way downtown, bang. Ed? Oh yeah, it is ASU. Well then, you should have some fun. Way downtown, bang. Dan Marino! Sean Murphy Bunting. DK and Keenan Allen Orange. Boom. Wow. Made Joe take the Packers. Dexter Williams, 4 of 5. Joe never loses. Never lost. Four of 5 Emerald Auto for $808. Joe never lost. And a black George Kittle. 23 of 25. I love these black parallels. So nice. So nice. Rodney Anderson. Philip Lindsay. Josh Allen. Red Jordan Scarlett out of 99 for the Panteras. Oh, never mind, Tim. It's hilarious. You owe me a $300 card and you won't unblock me. That is effing hilarious, Tim. So we opened up a case, Tim. We talked about it. I'm just gonna break. I don't even care anymore, so I'll just deal with it. I'm gonna deal with it. Lonnie Johnson. Kyler number 2. It's fine. It is fine, Tim. I tried to be nice about it. Zay Jones. Noah Font. Mika Fitzpatrick. Josh Allen. Ben Banagu. Nick Bosa Silver. Josh Allen. Jalen Hurts. Carson Wentz. Keem Butler. Kuechly at a 99. Got the Jags. Corey got the Jags. Such a sleeper in this. And Gardner Minshew. I didn't say you lied about it, Tim. Terrell sucks, but I'm going to finish this break and not talk about it anymore. Khalil Mack, mythical. What's OSU up right now? I have the game on, but it's not on sound. 17 of 25. Run CM7 for Telfair and the Panthers.
You bought 17 cards and said keep the change. So you should $2.
Thank you. $13-0, that's not bad. Funger, check that little button up top. Okay, cool. So you have everything, right, Keith? Okay, cool. Yeah, I will. I haven't heard anything from Mike. I think Mike tends to go up to like the very top of Minnesota and like ice fish and stuff. I think I haven't heard from Mike Jones in a while, so I would assume he has it, but I will double check in a second. JJ Arcega Whiteside, rated rookie blue for the Eagles at a 150. Yeah. And we got a Dear Valued Collector. Fung, is that something you can do? The Yoopers, yeah. Alright guys, I have Amani Hooker. I have the collector's edition too. We can do like a draft on or something. We do like a 10-box draft. Like 3-team draft. Boom, Gardner Minshew orange. I appreciate that, Keith. I think I owe you like what? A couple bucks. But I owe you one. Justice Hill. You know what's funny, Keith? Right after you did that, I got an IM from someone being like, so the last 3 weeks I've gotten 3 different IMs from people being like, I'm missing like one or two cards. And like 5 minutes later, like one of them was like, my wife moved it, and another one was like, oh, it was in the bottom of the box. That's sick. Kyler Murray at a 299. So guys, please check all your packages thoroughly if you think you're missing something. What's up, Brady? How are you? Kyler Murray. Kyler Murray. Keith, I got you, man. You know how many people get the wrong stuff and never say anything? Gold for the Saints, AK 47 or 41. Alvin Kamara, who's got the Saints? It's a hobby direct, no major booms, but Alvin Kamara 10, who's got the Saints? Ed's got the Saints. Josh Jacobs. Brandon Cooks, not 99. Nick Bosa. Zay Jones running around naked. Is he still on the team? I know you wouldn't. Just people do that. And good mythical morning. Julio Jones. We got Gardner Minshew, rookie. And D. Slayton. Alright guys, what is redemption? Redemption is a promise for a card. It's a contract. Here we go again. Rookie dual autographs card number 9. We got JJ Arcega Whiteside and Miles Sanders. Who picked up the Eagles? Mark. JJ Arcega Whiteside. Undertaker dual autograph. Boom. There. For our hit recap. What's up, R90? Scott, I don't watch Cowboy games. So Eagles, Cowboys, I would not have watched. I don't have anyone on either of those teams on my fantasy team, which is great this year. Because last year I had Zeke, and I had to root for Zeke to go off. Kind of sucked. Sorry guys, one sec. Yeah. Thanks, Funger. You're the man. I appreciate our blossoming friendship. I just gotta keep hitting you. Are you in this? You're not in this one, right? So one time, Scott, my parents were flying back from. They went on a Alaskan cruise, but they stopped up in Vancouver, and they were getting, and then they came back, and they were at LAX, I guess, and they had the dogs out sniffing everybody. And the dog went like they were waiting for their bags, and the dog was going crazy at the people standing next to them. And the guy and the cops are like, "Do you have anything on you?" And the guy's like, "I have a ham sandwich," and pulls a freaking ham sandwich out of his freaking pocket. The dog was trying to get to. I was like, "Wow." Philip Rivers. Drug dog just wanted its ham sandwich. Clone Farrell. Stidham, 199. Oh, you're fine, fun. I have all of it. I just didn't want it to disappear just in case. Yeah, another gold and another redemption. Winston, Pierre. I'll throw some of those when I see them for you. For the Pittsburgh Steelers. Gold number 2, 4 of 10, T.J. Watt. Sorensen, I bet you that does really well. I do not keep sandwiches in my pockets. Is that like a normal thing to do? People keep sandwiches in their pockets? Devontae Johnson, Ty Johnson, Slayton. Blue Julio. DK Metcalf. Terry McLaurin. Dak. Mythical. We've got more mythicals this case than we have in a while. Light blue, Devontae Adams. Benagu. Nick Bosa and Tariq Cohen red. Guys, let me sleeve that up, and then hopefully we get another dual autograph or a patch auto. Got a Brady gold the other day. Nice. I personally like optic football better than prism football. That's my personal opinion. I mean, I'd be a little worried if you were doing that over international borders, Scott. Rated rookie autographs, purple. It's going to be a 25. Drew Lock. I think Fung can say it's Drew Lock. Card number 153, Drew Lock. Broncos, Kobe. 824. One redemption too early. Kobe never lost either. Kobe never lost. Good old Drew Lock. Alright guys, that is the halfway point. Where's our 101? Where's our elephant? We pulled some nice Drew Locks out of here. He's the future there, right? Did Jade just stay?
Yeah, she's playing Jamaican.
Where's Craven? Craven needs to come in the room. So I called Craven today, son. I could not understand him. He has such a southern accent. It was crazy. Yeah, I bought one of his jaws, but Jalen Hurd, the Niners at a 199. But I was like, what? I could barely understand him. Ooh, at a 50 on card, Nicholas Bosa. It's got that surface needs to be wiped a little. Mark. There's something. There's a fingerprint, or not a fingerprint. Something right there. Nick Bosa. Boom. Nice Nick Bosa. 50. Optic is so good. Joe Mixon. Gardner Minshew again. Larry Fitzgerald. Trace McSorley. Simmons. David Montgomery. I will sleeve up because the Bears are good. No, they're not. Nasir Adderley. So who's watching through the app on YouTube, guys? Or who took their... Ooh. Nasser. Probably working. At a 50, Joshua Jacobs. Nice PC card for Nasser. Debo, Tyree, Tom Brady. It's the first Tom Brady I've noticed. At a 150, T-Bot, East Tone Stick. Chargers coach said they were going to bench Philip Rivers as he kept throwing picks. At 299, Easton Stick. That's not going to happen ever. Williams. Dexter Williams again for Joe. Never lost. Joe. Yep, app is good. App. I like the app. Adrian Peterson, Keneal Harry. The app is very streamlined. The only issue with the app is you can't stay signed in, which I gotta talk to Bill about. Will Greer, number 1. Cam Newton. Julian Edelman and Collier. So who's ready for the hockey mixer after this? Guys, do not grab your hockey teams. I'm doing discounts, $5 off right now. So if you grab one right now, by the time I logged on, I'll put $5 of credit on your account. But yeah. Lots of young guns. The Black Diamond makes it crazy. It's Funk's favorite sport. What, Scott? I can't understand that. I did say hockey, Keith. People are upset at me because I refuse to put the run back of the Prism Mixer in the store until hockey goes. So hockey's going to go tonight. I'm taking tomorrow night off. And then I will be back on Monday with a Prism mixer. Well, we can do a three-team draft on like 10 boxes of optic collector's edition foam. If you want to do that, that should be fairly cheap. I know that's your other favorite thing to, yeah, see? We can do Elite Extra Edition foam. The problem is if I put that Prism up, hockey's never going to go, and hockey's been up for a week. So. Alright. Adrian Peterson. What am I doing? Ike Inabagu. AJ Brown. Titans making the playoffs? Titans winning this weekend? I don't know. AJ Brown, who took the Titans? Doria did. I mean, that is the logical thing, Fung, but I did because I got some fun. Ooh, that's a rookie. Ooh, that's sick. Who has him? Sebastian Telfair, 3 of 5. Will Greer. Boom, Scott. Boom. Boom. Aaron Donald, mythical. I don't know where Zon is. I haven't seen Zon in a little bit. Another Tavai, silver. Sean Gary. Blue, Marcus. Not going to be on the team anymore, Mariota. Tom Brady for you. And Drew Sample. Tristan Hill, red. For the Cow Pies. Our third redemption. I'd be mad, but the redemption's been good. Sucks, but the redemption's been really good. Jonathan Abrams, blue. DK. Nick Bosa again. Josh Chosen Rosen. Josh Rosen, silver, and Clellan Ferrell. Yep. Alright. Third redemption. If this is another Drew Lock, we're going to go crazy. 185. Benny Snell Jr. for the Steelers. Sorensen. Hobby Direct for the win, guys. 2 purple redemptions. Will Greer to Fiv. R90, where's my pie? You're supposed to ship it to the shop. We gonna see. Craven! Craven, you just missed it. We were talking about you. What's going on, bud? Because I could barely understand you on the phone because I didn't realize you had such a southern accent. What's up, Kevin? Yeah, I need some subtitles. It's all in good fun, man. What's up, Kevin? How you doing tonight? Just because I live in California doesn't mean I'm a liberal. Jordan Scarlett. Fulham. Justice Hill. N'Keal Harry. Justin Tucker. Kicker Mojo. Andrew Luck. Stop making Andrew Luck cards. Bosa. Orange. Armstead. Hollow. Gary Jennings Jr. I guess. For some reason though, Craven, it just never struck me. Nice, Terry McLaurin. Got the skins. Wow, I'm running through them. I've told everyone Prism Monday no matter what, Scott, so. Kind of want to keep to that. And we got our third gold coming up, guys. Easton Stick and be a rookie. Nope, for the Tennessee Titan, it is a rookie. Just the wrong Titan rookie. Doria, Jeffrey Simmons. Spells his name wrong. That's not how you spell Jeffrey. No, I would have told you on the phone if there's Prism tonight. And a 60 for the Dolphinos, Miles Gaskins. So Mario, how are you? Abram, another Tom Brady for you. Philip, I throw too many picks. Rivers, that's my quarterback. He's terrible. Blue, Amari Cooper. Miles Sanders. Orange, DeAndre Baker, Tristan Hill, Michael Thomas. What's going on, Mario? There's hockey, Craven. Your neighbor can get hockey cards. Have you sold your hockey cards, Fung, that I hit you? All your amazing hockey cards? That is true. They are a good holder right now. Wasn't the last census, whatever, that there's like 100, California's the most homeless people, and it's like 150,000 homeless people or something like that? Something crazy. Which that number seems high and low all at the same time. So Hobby Direct has produced 3 golds, a green auto, and a green base. And we still got 3 boxes left. A dual auto and a Julock purple, which should be numbered to what? What's the purple Julock purple numbered to, guys? Anyone know off the top of their head? Alright, Brian Burns, Devin Singletary, Fitzy. CM7. DeAndre Walker. Fournette, Sternberger. Boo. We got another redemption and it's terrible. Nice. DK Silver. Come on. Armani Hooker. Okay, guys. Unfortunately, our fourth redemption is not very good, so I'm not even going to slow roll it. For the Tennessee Titans, rookie autographs, Jeffrey Simmons. So we got the gold and the auto now. Now I'm going to try and milk that one, guys. Lineman autos. Diggs, Lonnie Johnson, Dan Marino MVP, TJ Hawkinson, purple Calvin Ridley for the Falcones, 50. Yes, we do, Nathan. I will have a Prism basketball mixer up on Monday. So if you want to follow us, KTAuthentics on Twitter, or you want to join the Facebook group down below, it'll be on Monday. Josh Jacobs orange at a 199? Yep, 14 of 199. Greedy Williams, Rock Yassin, James Conner. Drew Lock, #1 base. And a red for the Jets, Le'Veon Bell. Wow. You and Craven. So NT Baseball's in the store too, guys. Gotta figure out how to do NT Baseball. I'll have to do its serial numbers. Alright guys, we got 2! Count them. 2 boxes left. This is still the optic. What's up, Merv? How are you? Yeah, I know your stance on it. Guys, we also have an app. If you guys are interested in downloading our app, it automatically notifies you when things go in the store. So like if you're looking for a Prism break, I can just send out the notification, hey, Prism's in the store right now. You can buy through the app. You can watch through the app. Basically a cooler Twitter. Christian Wilkinson. Boom, at a 99, Ryan Finley. It's our first Ryan Finley we've hit. God, Swanson hits everything. Supposed to have another case of this, I think. Galladay. Winifrey. Hakeem Butler for the Cardinals. Is that Walter? Does Walter have the Cardinals? He does have the Cardinals. Wow. AJ Brown. Riley Ridley, red to 99 for the Bears. Man, Magic kids are quiet tonight. Fung, you should come to California and come play Magic on Friday nights, Saturday nights. Damian Harris, we pulled that 101 on him. Aaron Rodgers for Joe, never lost. 808 bucks. Easton Stick. Tyreek Hill. Alshon Jeffrey. Julian Edelman. Ty Johnson. Chauncey Gardner-Johnson. J.J. Watt fake out. Our only Daniel Jones. We've yet to hit a Dwayne Haskins. We've hit one Kyler Murray. Short print radio rookie base, guys. I mean, they spend 5 hours in the store, man. It's crazy. Who's ready for the last box? We have no randoms to do. I've yet to see points in this stuff. Now that I said that, we will hit a points card. Sorry, guys. Let's end on a bing bang zoom. I had a Red Bull. Red Bull put me in a good mood. That and Fung. Fung actually put me in a good mood today. It's a miracle. Did it make your heart grow 10 times that day, Fun? Me and Fung have been very, very nice to each other lately. Like, he got 2 Kobe Whites last night. And there are variations. Guys, that break shipped, by the way. So, this stuff will ship Monday? OJ Howard, orange. Dexter Lawrence. Tom Brady, in out of 150. DK Metcalf for the PC. Dogfather. Sorry if you did not get an autograph, guys. Hopefully you got a good parallel. Or silver. AJ Green, silver. Where's AJ Green play next year? Hawkinson. Mika Fitzpatrick, Steelers. That's not Tom Brady, that's Julian Edelman, but you like the Patriots, so you can have that. Phillip Rivers. Fletcher Cox. Fortunately, guys, I don't think we hit a 101, but we hit 3 golds and 2 greens. Darnell Savage, silver. Devin White. And a red Darnell Savage. Tristan Hill. Bryce Love. Marquise Brown. Miles Gaskins. Bryce Love. Alright guys, that was the break. Sorry if you did not hit an autograph. I will come right back with a hit recap in a second.